What's up guys, Manny from Motomillion. It's good morning to me on a Saturday, and I don't know when you're watching this, but we got a lot of exciting stuff ahead of us. I usually don't work on Saturdays, but today we are here at the Motomillion studios. You've seen this bike recently on our YouTube channel. This is 650 Eve's RSV4, and it's not done yet. I had mentioned that he's coming into town on a Friday, which was supposed to be yesterday. Luckily, things got postponed. It's coming tomorrow on a Sunday, which gives me time to install that SC Project exhaust, and also for us to show you guys what we do with Eve when he's in town. I think this is going to be a little more different because we're going to try to get a lot more stuff done when he's here. He's only here for 3 days, so he's coming on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And then exciting news, right now we're filming this towards the end of November. In the beginning of December, there's a big event that Ducati is going to announce their new bike here in Miami in Art Basel. I think I already know what it is. It's the Tricolore that I had mentioned in one of our videos, but 650 Eve actually has one on order, and he's also going to fly in, so look out for that content. But let me give you guys an idea of what's happening here at Motomillion. You've seen all the bikes so far, but the big news is our studio, as you know it, is going to be changing in the month of December. We are moving to a bigger location because we want to bring you better content, and we want to just get things rolling, because since we have the momentum, thanks to you guys that are watching and commenting on these videos. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, it would mean a lot to me for you guys to subscribe to it. But let's get started with our week on a Saturday, because it usually starts on a Monday. Let's get working on this bike, and then I think next time this camera turns on, we'll have 650 Eve here, and I'm gonna get a genuine reactions of his RSV4 with all the touches that we've done to it. I'll see you then. Let's get an exhaust on this RSV4. It's all hands on deck today. We got my good buddy Nicholas from Auto Laboratory here, because he is the master at doing stuff like this. So this is vinyl that I ordered in gold so that we could put it around the wheel. Eve said don't do anything gold on the wheels, but we're still going to do it. So this is our attempt at trying to put some gold rim tape of some sort on this, because this bike has some gold accents and we're trying to go with that, and there's no one better than Nicholas from Auto Laboratory. And he was just saying, because he's actually Slovakian and Michael Knight is actually Slovakian too. It's the Slovak takeover of Motomillion today is what we're calling it. But yeah, but I got to give this guy a hand, because he's going to try to get me involved in it. He's not going to mess it up, but I might mess it up. So let's get started with this, and we got to get this bike ready, guys. It's got to be done today so that Eve can see it tomorrow. Morning to me, look who is here. That's 650 Eve with his giant truck and trailer, bringing 6 motorcycles, but also going to be picking up one.
Hi Manny.
What's up Eve? How you doing?
2 hours later, here I am.
Welcome to Miami.
That's beautiful weather.
Yeah. Pull up right there. Let's unload the bikes.
Okay.
I got a surprise for you, so.
I can't wait. I'm looking forward to it.
Let's take a look. So guys, here's the man himself right here. We're about to reveal his RSV4.
I'm too excited.
Our good buddy Juan is hiding back there. But come on in, Eve and Juan. Welcome to the Motomillion studios.
Oh, it smells great here. It smells like new motorcycle parts. I love that.
Yeah, and some of them are your parts.
Yes.
Like that beautiful subframe off the M1000RR.
That's right.
And the fuel tank right here.
Yeah.
Eve, your bike is right there. I'm gonna set my camera right here.
Okay.
And set it up so that we don't have 2 cameras rolling.
Okay.
But I told you I had a surprise for you. So
Yes,
you
you
know that we changed the wheels to the BSD StarTech.
Yes.
It's the first set of BSD StarTechs got delivered in the US. And it was supposed to go on our Tuono build,
Over there, yeah.
but I sacrificed our build.
I
But
appreciate
you'll show the bike after, because that bike actually looks pretty cool with the other wheels we use. But this bike deserved it, and so you know about that. I told you that we put the ST Project full titanium exhaust system.
The one we have in the Great Bay.
The box is still there.
Yeah, there's the stock, there's the slip-on he took
Yeah,
off.
and these are the stock wheels.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, and my hands are still dirty. I washed it probably 20 times since I was here last night till 9 o'clock finishing it up. I added a couple other parts, but one of them was a surprise.
Okay.
I'm not going to tell you what it is.
Okay.
I'm going to let you look at your bike and see if you see what the surprise is.
Okay.
And then I just want to see.
The pressure's building.
I don't think it's nothing crazy, right? I didn't gold plate your motorcycle or I don't know. We didn't do some crazy paint scheme.
Yeah.
It's something subtle, but it's the first of its kind in the US again, and also it's the first of its kind on an RSV4. And a lot of people might be shocked that we actually have it already at Motomillion.
Okay.
And but let's see if you could figure it out. And you could also, I hope you enjoy the bike. The bike looks fantastic, and it's been here for a couple. It looks totally different.
Wow.
Ready?
Yes.
No, I'm not going to do it. No, I
Yes,
can't.
I'm ready.
You were looking at it.
I was looking at it.
Yeah.
You got the new Brimbos, the high
Yeah.
viewers.
Those are the high pure
The high
calipers.
pure calipers. That's what you got on. These are the all-new high pure Brembo calipers that are going to be on the new Panigale V4s.
Yes.
Yes.
Quick little disclaimer, it's the first start. It's going to smoke a little bit because we did WD-40 on the exhaust as we always do. So here it is. Cover your ears, put the headphones down. It's Tuesday, and here at Motomillion, it's a special Tuesday because number one, it's a short week. It is Thanksgiving week, and all of you guys who are watching this, it's Sunday after Thanksgiving. Happy belated Thanksgiving to you guys. I hope if you guys are traveling, you had safe journeys, you enjoyed your time with your family and with your loved ones. I really appreciate everybody's support, and I really love to show you guys behind the scenes and also show you guys the behind the scenes of the characters that we are around. 650 Eve, as I said, is a true motorcycle enthusiast. I have not yet met a single person who loves motorcycles as much as he does. Well, we have Michael Knight, who loves to ride motorcycles, but I think 650 Eve is like the next level up from Michael Knight. Those two guys are amazing motorcycle enthusiasts, and they put a smile on my face because this is what we love doing and we love to share it with you guys. But that's it for this episode, guys. I really appreciate your support, as I mentioned. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time, guys, have a good one.